Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot to Trello for CRM-to-tasks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard and find the Integrations menu. Click on the Integrations option. In the search bar, type Trello to locate the integration. Select the Trello integration from the results. Click on the Connect App button to begin the integration process. You will be redirected to the Trello login page. Log into your Trello account using your credentials. After logging in, authorize HubSpot to access your Trello account. Return to HubSpot, where you will see an option to customize your integration settings. Select which Trello boards you wish to connect with HubSpot. Decide on the specific fields you want to sync between HubSpot and Trello. Map the fields accordingly to ensure the correct data transfer. Once you have finalized the settings, click on the Save button. To confirm the integration, go back to your Trello account. Check if the new lists related to HubSpot deals show up on your connected boards. Now you can create tasks in Trello directly linked to your HubSpot CRM. Test the integration by creating a new deal in HubSpot. Verify that the task appears in your Trello board as expected. You have successfully connected HubSpot to Trello for seamless task management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.